What's up everyone? We're back with another restoration video. Today, it's going to be on these Jordan 4 lasers from 2005. The midsoles on both of these pairs have started to break down over the years, and they're going to need to be replaced. The pairs need to be cleaned as well. I'm going to start off this restoration by completely separating the shoes so that I can remove all of the old midsole. Overall, the uppers on these are in pretty good condition. They're just going to need a quick cleaning. To remove any of the leftover crumbled pieces from the uppers, I'm going to heat them up to melt the glue, and then I'm going to scrape off any pieces that are still stuck. To remove the old factory glue from the soles and to prep them for a reglue, I'll be using heat and cotton balls soaked in acetone. Now that the old glue has been removed, I'm going to give these soles a deep cleaning. These soles are looking amazing now that they've been cleaned. Before I clean the insoles, I'm going to go through with a fabric shaver to remove any lint that's still left on them. After cleaning the insoles, I use an air compressor to blow out any of the leftover cleaning solution. The uppers on these aren't super dirty, but they're still going to need a light cleaning. I just have to be more careful around the Jumpman on the heel because I don't want them to crack more. For the black lasers, I'm using a suede cleaning solution and cleaning them very carefully. The gray heel tabs and the black side wings are made from a delicate synthetic material. To prep the uppers for a reglue, I'm going to be skiving off the top layer with a blade before sanding them down with a Dremel. Before I repaint the black laser midsoles, I'm going to be dyeing the midsole black so that if the paint cracks from future wear, you won't see the white midsole underneath. Now that the soles and midsoles are ready, I'm going to glue them with barge cement super stick. I let the glue cure for around 15 minutes before I heated up both sides and bonded them together. Even though I dyed the midsoles black, I still have to repaint them to achieve the desired finish. The customer requested a custom matte finish on the top and front with a glossy and speckled bottom. They wanted the air bubble dyed black as well. It's an interesting twist on this pair, but I really like how the blacked out air bubble looks. It's always satisfying to remove the tape after a fresh paint job. It's definitely one of my favorite parts of any repaint. Man, the custom finish on these came out amazing. Before I glue the uppers, I'm going to have to sand down the midsoles to match the original fitment. You can see the gaps where the midsole doesn't match up 100%. After getting the proper fitment, it's time to do one of the final steps to this restoration. I'm going to use the same method to glue them that I did for the soles. The reglue came out amazing. I was able to match the factory glue line perfectly. To wrap these up, all I have to do now is stitch the toe caps back on. It's great to see both of these iconic pairs back in wearable condition. The customer was extremely happy with the restorations as well as the custom touches on the black pair. It was nice to be able to work on both pairs from the laser set at the same time. Which pair do you prefer? I appreciate everyone who has been supporting the channel, even after a long time since my last upload. I'm going to be posting a lot more frequently from now on. If you're interested in a restoration, feel free to reach out on my Instagram at samwithshoes or email samwithshoes@gmail.com. Here's a little sneak peek at my next restoration video. This is going to be a crazy transformation. Stay tuned for that video. Again, thank you so much to all my supporters. It really means the world.